Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the Asteria Deep wave hair right here. The packaging comes with a bag to store the hair in case you're not using it, and it has an elastic strap in the box as well and a mink lashes. So that's what the hair looks like. It comes with 3 combs and 3 at the top, 1 at the back, and elastic strap as well. The hair has baby hair around the perimeters, and it also comes with a pre-plucked center part, and the hair also have been pre-plucked straight from the box because I placed it on the mannequin head to be sure if there's anything for me to do, but I realized there was no need, so I decided to apply the wig on my head. I actually applied the got to be glued gel on the wig cap, and I blow dried it and cut off the excess cap. Then I applied the wig on my head and I cut off the lace. I applied the gold old glue on my head. I actually did 3 thin layers of the glue, and I showed you guys how I placed the hair exactly where I applied the glue, and that's what the hair looks like really. I applied my scarf on the hair just to lay the hair down flat, and after that I showed you guys how you can pat the hair. You can pat the hair anywhere you like because there is enough patting space up to the back of the hair, which I'll show you guys in a minute. I was not quite sure of the style to go for, but you can style the hair anyhow you like, and that's what I am doing right now. I wore the hair big just to show you guys what the hair looks like on me. In case you're the type that like that big hair, don't care, then this is what the hair looks like. The hair is really full. It's very soft and very silky to touch. So I went ahead and sprayed the hair with water, and I applied curly's pasty on the hair just to enhance the curl, and bam, that's what the hair looks like. I brushed the hair and I applied my parts with the concealer or powder. You can use anything really, but in this case I used the powder. And look at the hair, guys. The hair is really long for length 22. I think they are quite generous with their length. And look at the hair. I felt the hair has no tangling or shedding whatsoever throughout the styling process, and I am loving it, guys. I am loving it. This is what the hair looks like on me. You guys know I'm not a big fan of baby hair, but I love this hair so much. If you're the type that like baby hair, as I always say, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned for the review. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this deep wave hair right here. The hair is actually from Asteria hair and it's in the length 22. It's in medium cap size. First thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and also there is baby hair around the perimeters of the hair. So if you're the type that like baby hair, then you're in for a treat. Another thing I noticed about this hair is the fact that the cut pattern is really amazing. And remember, you can wear the hair big, you can wear the hair wet, you can wear the hair anyhow you like. And I also like the fact that the hair came with a center part straight from the box. So if you're the type that don't know how to pluck your parts, then this has already been done straight from the box for you. So all you need to do is just to apply any concealer or foundation or powder of your choice to make the parts more obvious or natural. Another thing that I really like about the hair is the quality of the hair, guys. I really love the quality of the hair. Look at that. There has been no shedding or tangling whatsoever. The hair felt really soft, and I'm loving the curls right now. Look at that. There's been no tangling or shedding at all. Also wear the hair glueless because it has 3 comb at the top of it and 1 comb at the back to secure the hair, and it also has an elastic strap at the back of the wig. So depending on the look you're going for, you can decide to apply glue, you can decide to apply gel, or you can decide to use the elastic strap at the back of the cap to secure the hair, depending on the look you're going for. You can also use the comb at the back of the hair to secure the hair to be able to wear the hair as a ponytail. So depending on what style or what look you're going for, you can style the hair anyhow you like. I also like the fact that the part space is also up to the back right here, which is quite generous, so you can pat the hair anywhere you like. For this hair I didn't really do much because everything has been done straight from the box. One thing I noticed about this vendor is the fact that their shipping is really quick, and they have all types of hair. In case you don't like curly hair, you can go for straight hair, you can go for bob, you can go for any style of any hairstyle on their website. They have Brazilian, they have Peruvian, they have all types of hair and style on their website. So, and also they are also having, I think they're also having a sale at the moment. So looking to get something at a bargain price, then feel free to check out their website. And also I'll leave a coupon code for you guys to to get some discounts off hair on their website. Depending on the hairstyle you're going for, but you can style the hair anyhow you like. You can do braids with it, you can do, you know, any style you like with the hair. And the hair is really full. Look at that. The hair is very full. I love how, you know, silky and soft the hair feels. And also bear in mind that the hair is human hair, so you can, you know, you can tongue it, you can bleach it, you can dye it, you can do whatever you like to the hair, just like your own natural hair. The hair is really true to length. I love how long the hair is. They are quite generous with their length. I love the fact that the hair is really long for the length 22. The hair almost got to my belly button, and it's a curly hair for the length 22. That's absolutely amazing. They are quite generous with their length. Another thing that I really like about the hair is the fact that the curls are popping, guys. Look at that. The curls are popping. Look at that. And if you get tired of wearing the hair, you know, big and all, you can also wet the hair with water and you're good to go. So I would definitely recommend this hair for beginners, you know, in case you're the type that you don't know how to plot the lace of your wig and you're scared of ruining the lace. There's no problem at all. The wig has already been pre-plucked straight from the box. And if you're the type that like baby hair, guys, there's baby hair around the perimeters of the hair, as I mentioned earlier. And I really like the fact that the hair is so soft. You can, you know, style the hair anyhow you like. You can do the half up half down style. You can do any style you like with the hair, but today I just decided to go for a center part because I think I've not worn center part for ages. So I thought it'd be nice, you know, to go for center part, since the, you know, hair also comes with a center part straight from the box, which is a no-brainer. So I decided to, if you're tired of wearing this hair like this, in terms of this curl, you can also curl the hair to your own taste. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to curl one of the hair for you guys to see, in case you want to, you know, go for that hairstyle. You can curl the hair like so. Look at that, guys. Go for any curls you like. You can go for a tighter curls, you can go for a loose curl. You curl the hair to your own taste. So in case you think, oh, I'm tired of this curl, I need to, you know, do a deep curls, or I need to do a loose curls, you can curl the hair anyhow you like and style it anyhow you like, because it's human hair. The quality of the hair is really amazing, and I love the fact that everything has been done straight from the box. I also like the fact that the packaging comes with a bag that you can use to store the hair in case you're not using the hair. And I like the fact that the hair can be so versatile that you can style it anyhow you like. And I also like the curl pattern of the hair. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.